Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you seeing unable to complete request while browsing, posting or messaging on Facebook Marketplace? This error usually appears when there is a connection issue, server delay, app glitch or temporary account restriction. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix unable to complete request on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, why unable to complete request appears? So common reasons include weak or unstable internet, corrupted app cache, Facebook server issue, expired login sessions, marketplace resurrection, or VPN or proxy interference. Okay, so start with simple fixes first, like for example, check your internet connection. So switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off and retry. Okay, so stable internet resolves most request errors. So uploading or messaging needs strong signal. Okay, you can also fully close and reopen Facebook. So close the Facebook app completely, like this, for example, swipe it away and then wait 10 to or 5 to 10 seconds and reopen and retry the action. Okay, so it clears the temporary glitches, so it will fix the problem. You can also log out and log back in. So log out of Facebook and close the app and log back in, so it resets your account session, and this fixes expired session errors. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.